Hello everyone, my name is Matt and welcome back to another video. In today's video, Xiao and I are going to go on a little boat ride. This is called the Maurice River Cruises. It's in Millville, New Jersey, about 15 minutes from my parents' house. And my dad's best friend growing up recommended this. Him and his wife thought it was really nice, so we're gonna go and check it out. And yeah, let's go.
等一下，我打嗝了。
Show him.
I want to thank you guys for joining us this afternoon as we proceed downriver. First thing you'll notice off to our left, some old docking arrangements. Walk that clear path and manicured river view eventually. A few seasons back, they installed the walk bridge across.
觉得怎么样？
热，
晒死你了。
不过挺好看的，但是太晒了。
See the right there?
Yeah.
Two of them. Landed. Other one's still flying up. The other one about to fly over where he at.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, we were just here a few weeks ago. It's right there, right? Yeah. We were standing up there watching some guy on a wave runner.
你知道我们会经过这边吗？
I knew.
In the river competitions. So there's enough of them in there to make it interesting, you know. Coming up on our right-hand side. Cargill grain elevator. Notice the commercial pilings, the clusters. That center piling left long. Purpose for that to be left long is used as a mooring post for ships, barges, small ships and barges with tugboat combinations that would be delivering dry grain to the area.
Garo, what do you think of this? Speak Chinese. Tell me, what do you think?
Satellite center
挺好的呀。
Would you recommend it to other people?
当然，
How much did they pay?
and he's 11. He's going to be
$300多块钱好像有点贵，
2个人，不是很贵，不是特别特别贵。
开玩笑的，
trash.
10到2个小时，2个多小时。
All their satellites.
很舒服。
They're up there.
There's our captain.
We're going to get a close look at the Bertram Twins farm on farm home built in 1866. Amazing point is that the Bertram Brick Company manufactured the red bricks on the farm to build that home.
要搬到这里吗？搬到，
好漂亮，
加油！
加油！
Guy stayed there with the boat in a red chair. He used to hold the boat down the road.
I like that house.
Start saving.
How much does that cost?
Gotta check Zillow. I don't know.
也就500多万，
It's a round
Hey.
pontoon.
对吧？
上买吗？
Here's the
算一
first
下，
date, right?
Yeah, it's a round pontoon though.
525万
I。don't know how it is.
便宜。
I don't know if it's higher or
Well, you
lower.
just tell him, yeah, for $1,000.
Morristown Bridge was erected in the mid-1800s. We ran a ferry service from the back of the church property, had a wharf set up. They would come up, come out the ditch, go upriver to Spring Garden, offload their passengers. From there, they would come out to what we know as Route 47, Delsey Drive. Then was the Stagecoach Road. Make a left, took you up to Camden, a right, took you down to Maybank.
没看到。
妹妹看到。
Only famous.
Originally, the farmland came all the way out. This entire peninsula belonged to them. in the late 70s, I believe it was, New Jersey started a wetlands record. See if they stay. Yeah.
We just got back to the dock. It was really an amazing little trip. It's about 2 hours, $24 each, really affordable. And we got to see eagles and all sorts of other cool birds and some turtles, and it was just really cool. Definitely worth doing. Let's see what Scherer thought about it. What do you think about it? Is it
特
good?
别好玩。
Do you recommend your friends do it as well when they come to America?
那当然了呀，废话。
All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.